What's up, everybody? Moto Smith here again, and today is a very good day because, as some of you may know, some of the guys that I ride with who watch the videos and are subscribed to the channel may know that I've had a bit of an issue with my bike pertaining to battery availability. Yeah, basically this bike has a very particular battery, which is the YT7B battery, and it was very difficult finding it in this country. I actually didn't. I had to end up ordering it online and waiting for it to come in, but it's finally here. Got my new battery. This is the old one, and I just finished installing it. I do also have a solenoid switch that goes right here that I'm supposed to install. It's upstairs. I'm going to install it, I think, either tomorrow or another day because I'm a little bit busy right now. I just really needed to hear this bike turn over today because of how long I've waited to hear it turn over. Not so fun fact, it has actually been coming up on 8 months since, oh no wait, that ain't right, coming up on 6 months, sorry. Yeah, it's actually been coming up on 6 months since I've ridden this bike, since this bike has actually started. So I got home yesterday. I woke up this morning, gave it a bit of a wash, like just to get the dust off, just, you know, did some preliminary checks, made sure all the fairing bolts were nice and tight, made sure that all the other bolts were nice and tight, you know, foot pegs and everything. And I had the battery charging since this morning. It's now approximately noon. As is standard with installing a new battery, is always good to give it a full charge. So what I'm going to do now is one-handedly, I actually had to end up buying a new multimeter tester as well because the old one apparently was bad. So what I'm going to do now is just check. Oh wait, what am I doing? Yeah, check and ensure that we have a good reading. Let me just put this here so you guys can see. Yeah, check to ensure that we have a good reading. We're supposed to be above 12.5 and we have 13.1. That is good. That is a very good reading. Alright, so as far as the voltage goes, the battery is alright, and this is actually going to be the first time in almost 6 months. Just put this down. I'm going to be attempting to start my Daytona. Let's hope for the best. Kind of nervous because ever since I got this bike, it's had this old battery in it, and the guy I bought it from told me that this is actually the battery that the bike came into the country with like 8 years ago. So as you can imagine, it was coming and going, failing. I had to be like charging it over and over again. I had a couple of instances I had to be bump starting the bike, which is not healthy for the clutch, as you could imagine. But it kind of made me like used to this bike not starting on the first try and whatever. And I'm not really expecting it to start on the first try because it's been down for, like I said, almost 6 months. But just to get kind of a feel on what's going on. The oil is good, the gas is up, the coolant is alright, and without further ado, let's see if we can start this bike. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous. Alright, let me see. Get the clutch in with my foot because one-handed operations, as you can imagine. Alright, they got the trafficators on right there. Alright, and let's see what's going on. Wish me luck, guys. We have ignition! Woo! That is a good freaking song, I tell you, that is a good song. I'm gonna need to keep my acceleration up for a bit. Words can't even express how happy I am right now. Alright. So we're going to do a quick look over and ensure that there's nothing smoking or we don't have any issues. We don't have any black or white smoke, which indicates that our piston rings, seals, and the oil flow going into the cylinders is okay. And I'm gonna let her get up to like about 3 bars, and then I'm gonna start doing some high revs. I do not like the engine light being on, but it's been on for a while, so I guess it's okay. Woo! As you guys can see, I do need to get the rear wheel back up because it kind of deflated a bit. Alright, so we're up to 3 bars, so now we're gonna just progressively get some high revs going. Alright. Woo. So I'm just yeah, I'm just gonna let her pour for a little bit, and I can't even describe how happy I am right now just hearing this bike running again. I'm just real happy right now, and I just thought I would share this moment with you guys. So big whoop. We got it started on the first try. That is a very good sign, and I am very happy right now. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning into the video. I'll see you on the road. Peace out.